Dear friends, in this video, we will look at an interesting puzzle that we will solve using the principle of experimenting or experimentation. Now, let me just take the problem. Bus number puzzle, solution by experiment. Let me read out the problem. While visiting a small town in the United States, I lost my overcoat in a bus. When I reported the matter to the bus company, I was asked the number of the bus. Though I did not remember the exact number, I did remember that the bus number had a certain peculiarity about it. The number plate showed the bus number as a perfect square, and also if the plate was turned upside down, the number would still be a perfect square. I came to know from the bus company they had only 500 buses numbered from 1 to 500. From this, I was able to deduce the bus number. Can you tell what was the number? Source: Shakuntala Devi, the mathematical prodigy that I told you in the previous puzzle. She wrote a classic book, Puzzles to Puzzle You. So I had adapted the problem here that will offer an excellent discussion how to reach the solution by experiment. So let's start now. By doing experiment, we can easily infer numbers that can be turned upside down and still read as a number. 0, 1, 6, 8, and 9. Now, if you turn upside down, 0, 1, 6, 8, and 9 will still be a number, out of which 0, 1, and 8 will remain 0, 1, and 8 when turned upside down. That's the beauty. So they will remain as 0, 1, and 8 when turned upside down. Therefore, when you look at number 6, it becomes 9, and number 9 becomes 6. In other words, when you look at the numbers 6 and 9, when I turn upside down, 6 will become 9, 9 will become 6. Therefore, the possible numbers that would offer the solution to the question, which are perfect square while reading, mind you, on the bus would be either it is 9, which is a perfect square, 16, 81, 100, 169, and 196. All these numbers are perfect squares. This is 3 square, 4 square, 9 square, 10 square, 13 square, 14 square. Now, the number 196 is the only number which becomes a perfect square when turned upside down. When you turn 196 upside down, this 196 will become 961. And 961 is equal to 31 square, which is a perfect square, and therefore 196, which I marked in red color, was the bus number, and we have solved the puzzle in a magnificent way by doing an experiment and possible primary hypothesis only taken, and the secondary ones are eliminated. For example, 0, 1, and 8, we said that they will remain as a number, even the same number 0, 1, and 8 when turned upside down. And when we look at the possible squares, 9 becomes 6 is not a perfect square, 16 becomes 91 is not a perfect square, 81 becomes 18 is not a perfect square, And 100, when I do that, is 001, but the numbers start with 1, therefore it's not. 169 becomes 691, which is not a perfect square. And 196 becomes 961, which is a perfect square. 31 square is equal to 961. In a magnificent way, we have solved the riddle. Thank you very much. Therefore, 196 was the bus number. We will see you soon in another video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot.